Hi, welcome to Fratello Initech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
Hello everyone. In this session, I'm going to explain about auto increment. So this is not the constraint. We have 6 types of constraints that are normal constraint and unique primary key and foreign key and check default. But auto increment we are using with the primary key. So let's start about that. So auto increment it is used to automatically generate a unique number for a column. So it is commonly used with the primary key columns and so this is the feature that allows a unique number to be generated automatically when a new record is inserted into a table. So it's often used for the primary key fields. So the value increases by 1 for each row by default and we don't need to manually insert a value into auto increment column. So it helps to avoid duplicate ID values in a table and only one auto increment column is allowed per a table. So auto increment work with an integer data type and it makes managing table records easier and more reliable. And also we can also add and drop auto increment by using these syntaxes: alter table name, modify column and column name, and give the data type and primary key via auto increment. So this is for adding and drop. We can also drop the auto increment by using these: alter table name and modify keyword you have to use, and from where you want to drop the auto increment, then give that column name. So ID, integer, data types. So let's do practically. Here I am creating the table. So create table name, and I'm taking the employee, ID, integer, data type. Suppose if you forget to add the auto increment while creating the table, so we can also add by using the syntax. So ID, primary key I'm taking, and use auto increment. I'm taking name column. So name, you have to take the VARCHAR data type. So just close with the parenthesis and enclose with the semicolon. So got 0 errors. So let's describe the table. Give the table name. So table name is employee. See that in the key column, so we have added primary key, and extra we have given auto increment. So when we are inserting the values into the table, so the auto increment will generate the unique numbers. So here I'm inserting the values. Insert into table name, employee. So no need to give the ID. So it has to generate unique numbers. So just I'm inserting the name column. Values you have to give, and so just I'm generating the names. Just close. So I'm inserting 2 records. Just execute it. So got 0 errors. See that. Let's retrieve the data. Select star from table name. You have to give table name. See that. So the numbers automatically increased by the auto increment. So we can also drop the auto increment. So by using this syntax, alter table, table name, and modify, you have to use. So here I am dropping alter table, table name, and modify, you have to give the ID, column, column name. So just give a data type. So whatever you have given. So close with the semicolon. So got 0 errors. Describe the table name. See that the auto increment has deleted from the table. So in this way we can add the auto increment. We are using the auto increment with the primary keys. So this is all about the constraints. So remaining we'll discuss in next class.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.